Welcome guys. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple layers while you are editing. Now, like you are editing, you have layer 1, layer 2, and layer 3. And then there is no enough, the layers are not enough for you to add more layer. Now, this is actually what professional video editors do. And also note that if you are watching this, just in case you didn't watch the video to the end, because I noticed some people watch halfway, right? Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to be sharing an important information. Now let's get on with this. This is exactly what every video editor do with their PC. So even though you are working with any other software, just know that this actually applies to any software, but I'm going to be making use of UCut in this video. So let's say I want to add 4 layers. UCut doesn't actually allow you to add 4 layers. I think the limit is 3, or rather 1. So this is UCut. I have this video. This is an AI video. And then my first layer test, let me say robot. Then my second layer in the same area, click outside, top, put an image. Right, put an image, reduce it, put it by the side, or maybe put it on top. That doesn't really matter. What is important, I'm trying to show you the layer. Now even more layer. What else is short that I can put? This is short. Reduce it, put it somewhere else. Now on the same line, you notice it says too many layers, right? I saw that message, but it's not too long. Don't worry. You can see we already have multiple layers in 1, 2, 3, 4. Before you allow only 1, it says too many layer may lag or, hold on, let me click on it again, may lag or save error. Right now, the reason why it's showing you that information is that it is actually reached its limit. Its limit is 2. So from 2, it's no longer going to it's not going to show you those error. Let me go ahead and delete. Now just notice. You notice it didn't show that error, right? I select. Then when I try to select again, you notice it shows this error, too many layers. Now what it actually means is that it is best or work properly on 3 layers alone. So let's assume we want to add even more layers. Now what we do is this. We go ahead and save this video. Even though we are not done with the editing, you go ahead and save the video. And then you choose the highest resolution. You can notice on top it's going to say saving the video higher than the original may cause problem. It is not going to cause any problem. It is just telling you this based on the effect you have on the video. So if you have effect, make sure you make use of the original. So, but the reason why I moved it, right? The reason why I move it is because I want it to be on a higher quality so that when I'm doing the next move, it is going to remain intact. So make your save and wait for it to save. So as usual, it usually plays an advert every time you run this export. So it usually run an advert. Allow it to run and then you close it. So that has completed and I have closed it. Now our editing, our export is in progress. Let's allow it to export. Okay, the export is successfully saved and you can see it right there. Let's go ahead and go to the home and then again click on edit, or rather create a new project again, and then this is the exported file. Open it, but before you open it and start working, play it. The reason why you have to play it is to look for any lag. If it's lagging, then there is an issue. You have to re-export and then you re-export with different resolution. Now, I did not have any lag just because this is not a very large file and I did not add any effect. That is the reason why there is no lag. So that is not all on our tutorial. So you go to the exact area, which is the layer. Now you see we do not have any layer anymore. Now we can add another layer. Let me just add this and then put it on the bottom. Confirm, and then add another layer on top of it. Now you can see I have 2 different layers now added. There is no longer small video. Okay, there is. Now you can see I have multiple layers added. So all of these layers have been added, and you can clearly see that they don't have any issue. If you decide to add more stickers or more layers, you can go ahead and do that, or even test. So once you're done with everything, arrange the way you want them. And then you hit export. So I am clearly not arranging this because obviously I am not making a professional video, but for your case you can do it. So once you're done, just hit save, and then go ahead and save this with the appropriate resolution, and then you hit save. So it is going to save, and as usual play you some ad. So basically this is how you add multiple layers on a video. So let me know guys if this video helped you, or if you still have further challenge doing this, or rather let me know if you have any request of any video editing that you would want to do, and I'm going to respond to that. There is another video, or there is another comment somebody actually asked if I'm going to share it with the person. So on the beginning of the video I said I was going to share something with you. So while you are exporting your video, be mindful of the size, which is the bitrate that I just used. So depending on how fast you want the video to be, you set your bitrate. It can be 50, it can be 60, it can be 30. So usually I leave this at 30 because I am recording on phone, but if you are recording on a bigger camera, or maybe on your phone you have UHD on your phone, you can make it 60 FPS. It's going to run smoothly. But then I'm using 30 because the phone quality is low, but since I have 2K 4K, I think 60 should work fine, and when you export it is going to load well. And a good quality, or a good what actually makes a good video editor is that whenever you are creating, you can create this multiple times. When I started creating video editing, I can name a file first, complete, done, and end, and final, and then final, and then the reason why I'm naming them all of this is actually because this is actually how it is supposed to be, and it is supposed to be saved as it is because you want it to be creative, and you want it to be easily recognized. So that is the reason why you actually save it that way. So if this is what you want to achieve, go ahead and save, edit, play it, and see if it works well, and then re-edit if it doesn't work well. Until you are satisfied, keep editing. And guys, I hope this is going to help you. If it did, don't forget to smash like. See you guys on the next one.